welcome back to my another mukbang. A lot of people has been requesting me to do a mukbang of a Karbi dishes, so here I am with my own traditional dishes. So in today's menu we have got eggplant with a dry fish chutney, lapen like inglong harsun la with tomato, lapen ke pak ok henru hanchi a recipe ki monang litum ni nang pipo longpo, lapen like hanserong han la, lapen like morapat karnu and ke like everyone's famous kangmoy han dali lapen ke sojonarbo kangmoy lahai han an ke nilimitang si kachitun iglo pini, because I'm a chef but only in my home. Outside people don't know that I'm a chef. So anyway, without any further, let's start the video. Let's dig in. But before that, let me drink water. And so yes, I am very hungry, so let's dig in. So this is Inglong Harsun. Lapen ke kang moy han lo. Jo inglip big an. I ang liton tek long po. First bite will be with kar sabzi kang moy han. Nang litum nili recipe kopihan recipes nang litum nang ji pulot nili la comment section lang nang litum nang pignon la nili recipe sa may napaklang po. First bite with kang moy han. Tumipag ang sarong la. Lapen ang long harson ka superb. Everything is good because it is made by me. Kardom nilihin pen kado kawai panstami nili video bang pa beng hoy son lo ate nili video mukbang a video shoot bom mahut camera bang back camera pinakamad nili chuteklong idal lo bom lo pusi nili bang ka chitin lo la pen ke chuma ke cholo, but then I realize hadi last hot se nili realize la je to record it that po let's see waste lo, but still then tihek a video sa may nang litum pan na request lo nang share pi ignon un an ke penang an karbi dis sita me nang wan pi iglo lapen ke ninang lining chipoy dari athenili mo next puthon nang wan pi tu po karbi dishes high hui sa me lapen sorry bang ke I will be alert of course to record bomb be po chelang pon bomb po next I hud bang ke nili alert po lapen ke answer say dishes sa me nang wan pi tu po lapen ke chorol te a video thek pen sa me nang litum phan tuning rilo jut ko an ke lang je phan se so pini han bang ke chang tu pen kalipin lo sopta boil lo ili karbi tum ke chang tuning dog de pumati de. So this is the last bite of the rice. Let's bite. Yes, I finished all the rice today. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you are from Karbi culture, then please do share my videos. Lapan ke limitang dish mate culture sitame Agi don lo nang. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And nangli tumlong sinili Facebook page follow ik elang polote follow ik non. Lapen ke YouTube channel long simi subscribe ke itum pan simi subscribe ik non. Lapen ke. Yes, lots of love. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.